How to do a boomerang effect on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually do a boomerang effect on Snapchat. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, we simply want to make sure to update the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you can type in Snapchat and then go ahead and simply update the application to the latest version. After we've updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open Snapchat right over here. And in order to create a boomerang effect, first of all, you simply have to hold and record a video for at least 1 second. So go ahead and record your snap or a short video on which you want to add a boomerang effect. Once we actually add our video right over here, first thing you definitely want to do is to actually mute this sound. So tap on the mute icon on the top right at the middle option. So once you mute the sound, in order to actually add a boomerang effect to this video, what you can do is right here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see an infinity loop icon right over here. What we want to do is we want to simply tap on this icon twice. Remember, we want to tap on this icon twice, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to simply tap on it once, and then you tap it again twice, and then you tap it again twice right over here. And what you can do is you want to at least tap on it until you don't see the loop icon. You can see that we are on this loop icon right over here. Once you've actually gone to the loop icon, you can go ahead and simply select this video. If you want, you can customize any type of effect which you want in this. And in order to send this, at the bottom right, you can simply tap on the send to button and this arrow icon. You can go ahead and choose to add it either to your story, or maybe your story on your friends only, or maybe to your snap map if you want, or else you could actually send this as a snap to somebody. So you can go ahead and select any of the friends to whom you actually want to send this as a snap. Once you've made sure of that, what you can do is from the bottom right hand side, you can tap on this arrow icon in order to send this either to your story or to your Snapchat friends. This was the way on how you could add and do a boomerang effect on Snapchat. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.